This is low C on the alto scale. Next, I will show you how to play it with my viola. To play C, you would put no fingers on the C string and you would just bow it. That's it. This is what low D looks like on the alto scale. Next, I'll show you how to play it on my viola. To play D, you would put your first finger on the C string, somewhere around here. This is what it looks like. This note is low E, and next I'll show you how to play it on my viola. To play E, you put your second finger right about here on the C string. It looks like this when you hold it in place. This F is F on the C string. And now I'll play it on my viola and show you how to play it. To play F on the C string, you need to be able to put your third finger right out here, your ring finger, right about here on the C string. It should look something like this when you play. This is what the G string looks like on the alto scale, and I'll show you what it sounds like and how to play it. To play G, all you need to do is bow the open string. No finger placements necessary for this note. This is A on the G string, and this is how it looks on the alto scale. Next, I will show you how to play it. To play A, you would put your first finger on the G string instead of the C string. And it looks like this when you hold it. This is B on the G string, and next I will show you how to play it on my viola and what it sounds like. To play B, this is what you do. You put your second finger, which would be your middle finger, right here on the G string. And to play it, you would look like this. As you can see, it's on the red tape on the G string. This is middle C, and I will show you how to play it on my viola and what it sounds like. Alto, this is middle C, as I've just told you, and that means it will always be in the middle line, or otherwise known as the third line of the staff. To play C, you would put your ring finger, which would be this one, right on the third finger tape, or if you don't have finger tapes, you would put your third finger somewhere about right here on the G string. Now we have the D string, and I will show you what it sounds like and how to play it. To play D, all you need to do is bow the D string. No fingers necessary for this. This is what E on the D string looks like in the alto clef, and I will show you how to play it on my viola and what it sounds like. To play E, you would put your first finger again, but on the D string. About right here on the D string is where you would put it to play E. This is the higher E, by the way. This is F on the D string in the alto clef, and now I will show you how to play it on my viola. To play F, what you need to do is first put your finger on E on the D string, then put your second finger just slightly in front of that. And that's how you get F on the D string. This is G on the D string in the alto clef, and next I will show you how to play it on my viola. To play G on the D string, you would put your third finger right about here on the D string, as you can see. This is the A string on the alto clef, and there isn't really much to it other than bowing the A string. That was A. This A is just an open string, this one to be exact. It doesn't require any fingering for this. This is B on the A string in the alto clef, and now I will show you how to play it on my viola. That was B on the A string. To play B on the A string, you'll get your first finger and just put it right about there on the A string. Next, I will play C on the A string on my viola and show you how to play it. To play C, you would put your first finger on B as you normally do, and put your second finger a bit above it. And for a better demonstration, you would have your first finger on B like you normally do, and put your second finger just a bit in front. So right about here is where you want to have your second finger to play C on the A string. This is D on the A string, and now I will show you how to play it on my viola. That was D on the A string. To play D on the A string, you would put your third finger right about here on the A string, of course. And here comes the last note. This is the final note I will be covering today. This is E on the A string, and now I will show you how to play it. Your last note is going to be E on the A string. To play this, what you need to do is you need to put your fourth finger, which would be your pinky, on the A string right about here. This is where you want it. And this is a little fun fact. If you put your fourth finger at the same place on any other string, so let's say I put my fourth finger right here on the C string, I'd make this sound, which sounds exactly like open G. Then so on and so forth. If I put it on G, it would make a sound like D. And then if I play open D, sounds about the same, right? Then if I do it on open D, it sounds like A. Just a little fun fact.